Head acupoint massage. Step 1. Lift and pull the yin tang acupoint. Step 2. Gently wipe the forehead horizontally with your thumb. Step 3. Gently point press the taiyang acupoint. Step 4. Gently push from the brow center to the brow tail. Step 5. Gently press the Quanzu acupoint, Yuyao acupoint, and Sijukan acupoint in sequence. Step 6. Gently tap the Jingming acupoint with your fingertip. Step 7. Point press the Yingxiang acupoints on both sides of the nasal ala. Step 8. Point knead the Jiacha acupoints on both sides. Step 9. Rub both ear auricles. Step 10. Cover one ear with one hand, and use the other hand to rub the back of the hand to sweep the ear. Step 11. Using the same method, change it to gently tap the ear to vibrate it with your fingers. This is the Baihui acupoint. These are the Sishinkang acupoints. You can use your finger pads to point, knead, and press 100 to 200 times. This is the Feishu acupoint. You can use the technique of point kneading, pushing, and pinching with your finger pads. This is the yin tang acupoint. You can alternately push with your finger pads and then divide and separate. These acupoints are important parts of the human body. When you feel irritable and down, have shoulder and neck discomfort from prolonged sitting or standing, or have trouble falling asleep or have light sleep, you can massage and stimulate these acupoints. They can provide good relief for a dizzy head and low mood. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is Feng Fu. These are the Yamen acupoint, Dazhui acupoint, and Taodao acupoint. These acupoints are important areas of the neck. Massaging these acupoints can help with prolonged sitting and looking down, dizziness and heaviness of the head, and stiffness and heaviness of the shoulders and neck. You can use techniques such as point kneading, pinching and kneading, point pressing, and straight pushing for relaxation. Stimulating these acupoints can provide good relaxation for our fatigued head and neck. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is the Dazhui acupoint. This is the Jianjing acupoint. This is the Taodao acupoint. This is the Tianzong acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints for our shoulders and neck. If you often sit for long periods and look down, and experience shoulder and neck soreness, stiffness, or fatigue, you can point press and knead these acupoints more often. This will allow our fatigued shoulders and neck to get better relaxation. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is the Fufan acupoint. This is the Pohu acupoint. This is the Gaohuang acupoint. This is the Tianzong acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints on our scapular bone seam. If you often feel stifled, experience scapular soreness and distension, or have numbness in your arms, you can stimulate and point press and knead these acupoints more often. This will allow our fatigued and stiff shoulders to get better relaxation. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. The acupoints of the waist are usually distributed on the Du meridian and the bladder meridian. This is the Mingmen acupoint, this is the Guanyuan acupoint, this is the Pengguangshu acupoint, and this is the Yaoyan acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints on our waist. Friends who often experience soreness and distension in the waist and weakness in the lumbar muscles can massage and stimulate these acupoints more to properly relax our stiff waist. This is the Jichuan acupoint. This is the Qingling acupoint. This is the Shaohai acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints on our heart meridian. The meridian pathway runs from the armpit to our little finger. If you frequently experience irritability, chest tightness, difficulty breathing, heart palpitations, and heart flutters, you can press and knead these acupoints more. Stimulating these acupoints has the effects of strengthening the heart, promoting brain health and strengthening the heart, unblocking meridians and activating collaterals, and benefiting the heart and calming the mind. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge.
There is a very magical place on our wrist. People who often see those with an immortal aura. 3 fingers placed here. So what is the use of this? You can feel the pulse beating when you press this spot. Just this small length. We rub here. Just rub this spot. Only rub forward. Do not rub backward. Just rub this one position. There will be a bit of a sour and numb sensation. Just keep rubbing like this. After rubbing for a while, you will slowly feel your chest becoming particularly clear. Your eyes will become brighter. Your ears will hear more clearly. If you keep rubbing for a while, you will feel your spirit getting better and better. The positions on the left and right hands are mirror images of each other, especially for female friends. Rubbing this area often, your complexion will always be rosy like a peach blossom.
This is the Zhongwan acupoint. This is the Jianli acupoint. This is the Shaowan acupoint. This is the Shuifan acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints for our stomach. If you often experience stomach acid, indigestion, or spleen and stomach disharmony, you can press and massage these acupoints more to achieve the effects of strengthening the stomach, regulating qi, and relieving abdominal distension and borborygmus. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is the Huantiao acupoint, located in the depression on both sides of the buttocks. You can use the techniques of point kneading with finger pads, applying force with the palm, or pressing with the thenar eminence. This is the Fengshui acupoint, located at the position corresponding to the tip of the middle finger when standing upright with arms hanging down. These 2 acupoints are important parts of the human body. For prolonged sitting or standing, coldness and weakness in the lower back and knees, coldness and numbness in the lower limbs, or uncoordinated movement of one side of the body in daily activities, you can press and knead these 2 acupoints more often. You can use various methods such as point kneading, pressing, pushing and scraping, and moxibustion to stimulate these 2 acupoints. This can provide good relief for our sore and weak lower back and knees. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is the Weizhong acupoint. This is the Qingshan acupoint. This is the Dubi acupoint. This is the Xuanzhong acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints for our legs. If you experience joint pain and difficulty in flexion and extension, knee arthritis, joint stiffness, difficulty in flexion and extension, and inability to move normally, you can press and knead these acupoints more to relieve leg pain and enable us to walk freely. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. This is the Shuiquan acupoint. This is the Taishi acupoint. This is the Fuliu acupoint. Frequently pressing these 3 acupoints has the effects of tonifying the kidney and regulating menstruation, nourishing yin and moistening dryness, and clearing heat and promoting diuresis. These are very beneficial for our body. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. Want a relaxing end to a long day? Ask someone you care about for a foot massage. It's a simple, thoughtful way to connect. Imagine gentle pressure and soothing strokes on your feet. It can feel so good, bringing a wave of relaxation. This act of care helps improve circulation in your feet and legs, bringing warmth and comfort. It also helps relieve muscle tension from a busy day, allowing your body to unwind. Many find it soothing, a perfect way to de-stress. It's a nice way to show you care and help them feel a little more relaxed, ready for a good night's sleep.